Hey, good evening. Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. And first of all, before I get into now, I want to talk about our Fast Track series. This is a series of videos that will take you through the first 30 days of your free membership with SMM. And I've totally revamped this. There's a ton of good material on there. It's not just the typical, hey, watch this video and I want to sell you some crap. This is really good stuff. We get a lot of rave reviews on it. That's about all I'm going to say because this is a chart of the day video, not really a marketing video. But seriously, check it out. You're going to like it. You're going to learn a lot. I promise you that. Okay, so ServiceNow. This is, I've drawn these lines here. They've been here for a while. And what I've really done is, back here, when I put these things on, I extended them forward. You can see here I think when did I put these things on? On the 21st of July. So I extended this thing forward to illustrate where the yes, I'm okay channel is. In other words, as long as the stock is staying within the green, which is the buy line, and the red, which is the sell line, as long as the stock's staying within that range, it's all good. And not just it's all good, but you want to be building your position on these pullbacks like this. Stock isn't even coming close to tagging the 50-day moving average. That's a reflection of institutional accumulation. We like this. Even after the stock's been going up so much, I really like the way like the way this is trading. And if we do just kind of a short-term trading range, this is where the stock is trading. I can pull it back here and do the trading range, and you can see the stock's kind of right in the middle of this box here. So it's not at a great entry point, but it's at a pretty good one. It's at a pretty good one because if we just, I'm just going to continue to draw lines here. If we draw this line like this down from the last high down into where the stock is now, and then we'll draw another one here like this. This is what I would call really a pinch and pop, where you get lower highs, higher lows, pinching together. It's creating this volatility squeeze, this volatility compression. And the way you can trade this is, first of all, on the lower part, which would be, kind of now, or at least this morning, but it's really not too late. You'd start a position, and then if the stock breaks out, which this is close to doing, but we don't know whether it's going to do that or whether it'll just stay in the range for a while more. But if the stock breaks out, that's when you add to the position. So your cost basis would still be back into the box. You've just kind of got an earlier start on it. That's how you'd trade this stock. But the most important thing to be mindful of is this stock is just in an uptrend. It's in an uptrend, and this is where you want to be. You want to be in these stocks that are in uptrends. It's fine if they test the support line. You just don't want to see a clean breakdown to where the stock's trading below the 50-day moving average. So anyway, this is a stock that I would look at as a potential long. Right now, right now today, a lot of stocks are just kind of marking time, and they're not really giving you a lot of action signals. In other words, something to do today. There's a lot of stocks to hold, but just not too much that I'm seeing is in the, okay, I got to buy some stock today camp. So that will ultimately change, but for now, that's what I'm seeing, and this would be one of these. So anyway, that's it. And again, check out the Fast Track orientation. It's free. Sign up for Stock Market Mentor for a 30-day trial. You'll get a lot of videos that are smoking, okay? I'll see you then.